launches forward and away. Prepare for the G-forces and loops ahead. Along the way, we will be laughing and screaming all the way. Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coastal Club. For the adventures of Pride Coastal Club.
Welcome back, Snake Wranglers. Hope y'all enjoyed the ride on the Iron Rattler. Now give that restraint a little push-up.
Children used to run and play. Look at all the mess we made. Guess I never know where it went wrong. Sometimes I feel like all that's said goes viral, then people forget. In this crazy world I don't belong. I see fire burning, but I close my eyes. I'd rather deny that. Everything is falling out of place. I see trees ripped from the ground, but nobody makes a sound. I see fire burning, but I'm fine. No, I'm nobody. Feels so unsure. Didn't we deserve more? The burden that you left is way too heavy for me. Do you ever feel like the world would die out? My anxiety's off the roof, I cry out. We have gone too far, take me back right now. I see fire burning, but I close my eyes. I'd rather deny that. Everything is falling out of place. I see trees ripped from the ground, but nobody makes a sound. I see fire burning, but I'm fine. I'm nobody.
Rattler. It was a blast. Just subscribe to Pride Coastal Club.
I'm Brandon, San Antonio. Iron Rattler was one of the greatest rides. 17-story drop, put your stomach in your heart. It's amazing. I love it.
It's your turn.